Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and today I am trying something completely different. Well, I'm still doing a dirty cup, but I've changed up my paint colors for one thing, and number two, I'm trying with just paint and Floetrol, no water, and therefore my paints are a little thicker. Because my last few tries, my paints have been super liquidy, and I lose all the paint off the canvas. So the final product does not reflect, what you see right after I'm done. So I'm going to try. I'm probably going the other extreme now, but my paints are a lot thicker. I still have some silicone in them. So let's get started. Let's see, what am I doing tonight? Should I do a flip cup? Yeah, we'll do a flip cup tonight. So here is my cup that I'm flipping. Let's see, so let's start off with a little bit of white, just a tiny bit of white. Tiny bit, I don't want too much white in there. And then the first color I'm putting in is this lavendery color. And I'm also gonna put a very little bit of it. Oh, I put in way more than I wanted to put in, okay. Let's see, which color shall I put in next? Next, I'll put in this blue color. Ooh, almost spilled it. Okay. Next, I'll put in, oh, this is like a red-violet color. More red than violet. Put that in there. Next we'll put in this. This is just red. And I'm spilling the paint on the canvas already. I'm very good at that. Next, I guess we'll put in some white. Some of this lavender type color, and then this blue color, red violet. Ooh, my paint cup is getting full, which is good. And then finally this red color. Actually, finally we'll do blue, because I want blue to be the background actually. Okay, so let us flip. Flippity flip flip flip. Start with this. Ready, set, flip. Okay. Make sure my, there we go. Ooh, I do have, oh, I'm losing my paint already. I do have a lot of blue in there. I hope I get the other colors. You know what, before I start tilting, let me get some heat on there. See if we can get some cells. Okay, so let's start tilting. So we'll tilt this way. Okay, as you can see, the paint is thicker than, ooh, I don't want to lose this corner right here. I kind of like that corner. So let's get this corner done. So I did not start with any paint on the canvas. So, and the paint is thicker, so it's not moving as easily. It's a lot slower. Okay, now let's get this corner done. I hope I can get this corner done. The paint's not really moving. I don't know that we're gonna get the paint to go to that corner. Okay, so, oh, I really like that. Let's do another small cup. Put some of this red in there. Tiny bit of this blue, because we've got a lot of that blue in there already. What color do we not have a lot of? We don't have a lot of this color in there. Okay. And we don't have a lot of white in there either. Okay. And then we'll do some of this red. Okay. So, okay. We'll just pour. Ooh, it's mostly red. Okay, here are the other colors. Oh, I am liking that. Nice. Okay, so that's what I was missing. I was missing having my paints be a little thicker. My paints were way too thin. Oh, this is good. I like this. I like this. I mean, there's a lot of blue and red. Not much of the lavender color, but still. Let's see if we can get some cells. Oh, yes. And we got more cells. Okay, so I mean, the larger cells are still pretty elusive, but I do see a lot of smaller cells in there. And I see some bare canvas also. Let's see if we can get some paint. Right over here. Right over here. Oh, I love that. Okay. Let me move my light out of the way so you can see what it really looks like. Okay. It's a little darker without the light right on it, but as you can see, okay, so let's get a little closer. Yeah, I'm liking this. Okay. Thanks for watching.